What up, peeps? Top of the morning to you. Not really. It's only like 10:15 in the morning. It is Cars and Coffee Sunday, so I have my coffee. About to go see the cars. Yeah, hopefully we see some cool cars when we get out there. I'm probably gonna get some good drone footage and you know, just enjoy the views. So I'll see you guys out there. Peace. Well, I think I'm in the right spot. Alright, that's a wrap. Everybody pretty much cleared out here. All the cars are pretty much gone. Head back to the truck. Yeah, pretty good stuff. Got some good drone footage. So go home, put that together, have that out pretty soon for you guys. And then also too, when I get back to the house right now, I have to resume my home studio rebuild. So if you guys don't know about that, check out my Instagram. I'm basically posting the progress of that on my Instagram. And yeah, oh look at this car. Pretty clean. So headed home, gonna get some lunch and then resume the studio build. So yeah, let me know what kind of videos you guys are interested in seeing. I'm doing what I think you guys want to see, but put it in the comments or on my Instagram or something, and let me know what you guys want to see. So, peace.